go. Hey, come on, let's go. No, he ain't gonna catch it. Let me get this dog out. Come here. Judge, you piece of crap. Come on, let's go. Yeah, go ahead and shoot it. The one right in his head. Yeah. Give him another one. He's all right, that's good, that's good. Huh? Yeah, I'm good. No, I'm good. He's done, man. You're freaking awesome. I swear to you. He has never done that.
I think he got him.
He got cut bad.
Did he get him? Oh,
Yeah, you see right there?
Good sir.
He's fine.
How big's that hog?
He's 250 plus. This is that big boar hog.
Has to be.
Yeah.
I gotta get some pictures of that.
Sorry for cussing. The dog ain't supposed to quit.
We don't judge.
He's not supposed to quit.
I think he got hurt.
I mean, he's cut, but it ain't bad.
Did he get him with? Did he have?
Yeah, look at these cuts.
Let me jump over there.
They're not big, but this is a dog killer right here. It's done.
Is the dog okay?
Yeah, he's got a little cut.
Ooh, he does.
Yeah. Those are dog killers right there.
He's still moving.
He's done.
He's taking his last few breaths.
How bad is it?
He's good. I don't have to sew him up. Surface on.
Does he have tusks on him?
Oh yes, ma'am.
Oh yeah. Hey, go inside and get my
I'm getting all of it.
All right, breathing.
He's a big boy.
Yeah, when I came home, I didn't know if it was a bear or a hog.
You getting that, honey?
I got it all on video.
He's cutting his nuts off.
I shouldn't have put him in this pen.
You should put the other ones with him, or what?
Well, I don't have any more dogs right now. That's the problem.
Okay. That's the one because his ears tore up.
Oh,
No,
is
this
that the
is
one, Scott?
Yeah, that's the one.
This is him. This is the dominant boar hog in the area.
Wow.
Was.
Yeah, he's got some serious teeth.
Really?
Yeah. Here. Just keep videotaping.
Ooh, he stinks.
Yeah, that's a boar hog.
Is that smell? That
That's
musk?
that
smell?
musk I was telling you about.
Oh my gosh.
I see where you shot it. There it is, right there in the shot.
Oh, he must have moved a little.
Yeah.